welcome back to another video in my world. Right now I'm going to pick up my son from school, but I have exciting news. I am now filming on the GoPro Hero 3. It's an upgrade for me because I was using my phone before. It's nothing extremely exciting, but it's extremely exciting for me because I'm taking another step in these videos by getting this GoPro so I can use it for different kinds of things and getting better content than trying to hold my phone. I got it for $100. It came with a couple accessories plus 3 batteries. I thought it was a pretty solid deal, and it seems to be working excellent. So that's the exciting news for today. Later on, we are going to be setting up the camper because we're going to go camping for a night and also doing some fishing. And I don't have a chest piece for the GoPro yet, but I do have this tripod that I'm holding, and I'm going to set that up and hopefully get some fishing content in for you guys. Hopefully catch some big old bass on it. Let's see, for now that's the most exciting thing that I got. But I'm pretty stoked about this GoPro. I feel like I'll be more versatile in where I can take this camera, what I can do with it, where I can mount it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. You know, I hope to bring this channel to a point where I can get, you know, some better equipment. But hey, I gotta take it a day at a time. I gotta take it a piece of it at a time, and I gotta work up to it. So if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe, get on my channel, look out for more content coming soon. It's 87 degrees out, and it is busy out there. It's cool to live close to a lake, especially if you have like a boat or jet skis or something. We have jet skis, but the fishing here is kind of pain in the ass because the only spots that we have to fish, I mean, this lake is really, really shallow around the banks. I don't know about the middle. I never rafted or whatever. But around the banks, it's really shallow. So it's like during the day, there's no bass. And then at night, like, you can get catfish and carp, but there's only a couple fishing areas. Most of the lake is owned by someone, you know? So it's like, yeah, it's cool living next to a lake, but this is a hopping lake. So fishing here isn't all that good. You know, if you had a boat, if you're out there on a boat, you can get to a couple places that maybe are not someone's property, but most way around the lake is owned by someone, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. And this guy, he might be there. He has a helicopter. That guy's like a celebrity around here. I don't know if he has the most money, but he's the one that has the most toys, that's for sure. He has these cool cars he drives around in. He's got a freaking helicopter parked in his back. I guess he owns a couple fitness centers and maybe something else. But everybody, you know, it's a pretty small town, even though it's a big lake. It's a small town, and everybody talks about him. Everybody knows who he is. Maybe one day I'll own a helicopter. Probably not. But it doesn't hurt to wish, right? This is what happens when you're a little late getting there. Back of the line. We're getting closer. Looking for Shay. Shay.
Who?
Shay.
Shay?
Yeah. Dad. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye, Shay. Have a good weekend, buddy.
Shay. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
Look it, dude. I got this new camera.
Whoa.
Check it out. It's a little camera. It's recording.
Okay.
Tell YouTube about your day.
My day was great.
What did you do?
I did art class.
Here, let me hold it so you can buckle.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And it was dot day. That's why I had to wear this dot shirt. I do 2 recesses, and I eat lunch and I go all day. So my day was great.
That's good. So I don't know how much time I have left on this battery because it's actually dying pretty quickly. But I'll get another battery in there, and we got a little bit more stuff that we can record today, and then that'll be it for today. Me and boy one picked up dinner. We usually pick up dinner, we usually eat out on Fridays. And since Amanda doesn't like pizza, we got her Panda. And then me and the kids got pizza. There she is, the camper. Taking her out tomorrow. And we need to put the propane tank back. He's down there by the stairs. We like to blow our pumpkins up in September. We don't wait till October around here. It's not how we roll.
So like this is bad.
This guy right here, he's gonna start a YouTube channel. It's gonna be labeled America.
It is. America.
We nickname him America.
Nothing but bald eagles.
Nothing but bald eagles riding tanks. Puppies! Puppies! Oh my gosh. Okay. Calm down. Calm down.
No, go inside. Go outside.
Oh my god! Okay, so this is every time. Well, not quite this bad every time, but this is pretty close. Alright, hey, calm down. Go! Alright, we got everything packed for the camper. This bird wants to kill me. And they got a treat. We're ready. We'll see y'all tomorrow.